morning one and all. Again, you are most welcome in bio session. Today we discuss about another gland, that is the thyroid gland. In last period, we have seen about the hormones of adenohypophysis and neurohypophysis of pituitary gland. Which are the hormones you have seen? Growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, FSH, LH, prolactin, oxytocin and ADH, anti-diuretic hormone. You already studied that. आपको पढ़ना है, जो पार्ट हुआ है उसे फिर से पढ़ना है, ध्यान में रखो. Now today we are going to discuss about the most important gland, that is the thyroid gland. See the page number 211 and 12. I given the diagram and description of thyroid gland. Dear students, it is one of the largest endocrine gland. This thyroid gland, it is one of the largest endocrine gland of human body. What is the location, position in the body, where it is located in the body? It is located in the neck region, either side of trachea, just below the larynx. Just I have drawn this diagram. There is a question in examination, sketch and label morphological structure of thyroid gland. Carry 2 marks. Remember please. Where it is located? In the neck region. In the neck region, either side of trachea, just below the larynx. That is the position and location of the thyroid gland inside the body. कभी कभी हम ये सवाल भी पूछ लेते हैं, write the location, give the location of thyroid gland, which is the largest endocrine gland of the body. Which is the largest endocrine gland? Thyroid gland is the largest. Location, it is located either side of trachea, just below the larynx. That you have to remember. Now, what about the thyroid gland? It is somewhat butterfly shape or letter H shaped. Remember, butterfly shape or letter S shape. It consists of 2 lobes, means it is a bilobed gland. It is a bilobed gland. It has a 2 lobes, left lobe and right lobe. Both are connected with each other by a thin strand of connective tissue. That is strand called as the isthmus. That you have to remember. What is isthmus? It is nothing but it is a strand of connective tissue. It connects the both lobes with each other on either side of trachea. That strand of connective tissue, it is called as isthmus. आप लोगों को भी ये डायग्राम ड्रा करना है बुक में. There may be chance in examination. Sketch and label morphological structure of thyroid gland. लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. तुम्हाला या डायग्रामची प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे. So, what I say about it is a bilobed gland, means it consists of 2 lobes. किती लोब आहे याच्यामध्ये? 2 लोब. ते एकमेकाला कनेक्टेड आहे by strand of connective tissue called as the isthmus. What my point? Means what is location? It is located in the neck region, either side of trachea, just below the larynx. What is larynx? Sound producing organ. Just below the larynx there is presence of bilobed thyroid gland. It has 2 lobes, left lobe and right lobe. Both are connected with each other by a strand of connective tissue called as the isthmus. That's all. Now, what about the thyroid gland? What is the specificity of the thyroid gland? It secretes hormone, thyroxine and calcitonin. What is the internal structure? See here, I have shown the diagram of TS of thyroid gland also. मी तुमच्यासाठी एक दुसरी डायग्राम काढलेली आहे जी पेज नंबर 212 वर आहे. You have to make a practice. See here, what about the thyroid gland? Externally covered by a capsule that enter into the thyroid as a septa and divide into number of compartment. That compartment called as a lobule. These lobules contain thousands of follicles. Follicle. This is the kidney chamber of thyroid gland. In each locule there are thousands of follicles, there are number of locules. Near about, as per the reference book, there are 3 million follicles. Can you imagine about the figure? 3 million. 1 million means how many lakhs? 10 lakhs. So imagine about the follicles. Follicles are variable in size, located in the thyroid gland. That variable size of follicles supported by connective tissue. Each follicle is lined by glandular follicular cells. They are cuboidal in shape. Cuboidal epithelium. You have seen last year in chapter animal tissue, types of simple epithelium, cuboidal epithelium. So see here, these follicles lined by which epithelium? Cuboidal epithelium. That cuboidal epithelium is also called as a follicular cell. They lies on the basement membrane. Remember please. These cuboidal epithelial cells, each cell contain nucleus surrounded by cytoplasm. There is Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum and other cell organelles. Inside the follicle there is a gelatinous substance that called as a colloid. I want to tell very important point for you. Important point. It is one of the gland in the body that can secrete a hormone as well as store the hormone. Please remember, this is one of the gland in the body that secrete a hormone and store the hormone in the gelatinous substance. What I say about the follicle? There are number of tiny chamber. They are variable in size. These follicles lined by the cuboidal epithelium lies on the basement membrane. Each cell consists of nucleus, distinct nucleus surrounded by cytoplasm. There are Golgi bodies, secretory function, endoplasmic reticulum, much mitochondria and other cell organelles. That you have to remember. What type of epithelium there? Cuboidal. This is a neat point for you. There may be chances that examination which epithelial are present in the thyroid follicles. Which is type of epithelium? That is a cuboidal epithelium. These follicles supported by connective tissue. That is a mass of tissue called as a stroma. Stroma consists of connective tissue. In addition to this, in between follicle there is another endocrine cell. That endocrine cell called as a parafollicular cell or C cell, or it is called as a clear cell. Parafollicular cells or C cell or clear cell. What is role of parafollicular cell? These parafollicular cells secrete a calcitonin, or it is called as a thyrocalcitonin. Got my point? What is the structure? Morphological structure, butterfly in shape. There are two lobes, left lobe and right lobe. Both are connected with each other by strand of connective tissue located in the neck region, either side of trachea, just below the larynx. That you have to remember. And this secreted two hormone, thyroxine and calcitonin. We have seen also internal structure, tears of thyroid gland. Inside the thyroid gland there are number of follicles. There are variable in size. Each follicle lined by the cuboidal epithelium. They lies on the basement membrane. They are secretory function. This cell having a nucleus, cytoplasm, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, much mitochondria. They are secretory function. They synthesize the thyroxine. Now, what you have to see? How it synthesizes the thyroxine with help of amino acid tyrosine and iodine molecules. That will be synthesized the thyroxine with help of amino acid tyrosine. हे सुद्धा तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे. Neat exam point for you. Tyrosine, that is name of amino acid. This amino acid combined with iodine molecules, monoiodothyronine, then diiodothyronine. Again it undergoes a metabolized and synthesis thyroxine in the form of T3 and T4, tetraiodothyronine and triiodothyronine. Triiodo small in quantity, T4 more in quantity, but T3 is a more physiological active than that of T4. That you have to remember. that will be stored in the colloid as a thyroglobulin. Whenever there is a need, it converts into the thyroxine and utilized for the body functions. This is regarding the thyroxine. You know how the thyroxine is prepared with the help of amino acid, tyrosine and iodine. Iodine is very necessary for the synthesis of thyroxine. This tyrosine combined with the one iodine molecules to form a monoiodothyronine, then two molecules diiodothyronine. Then again it undergoes the metabolized under influence of different enzymes. Formation of T3 and T4. T3 is small in quantity but physiological more active. That you have to remember. Means which hormone synthesized by thyroid gland? Thyroxine in the form of T3 and T4. Triiodothyronine and tetraiodothyronine. Got my point? I hope you understood. Now, what you have to see? Functions of thyroxine. Function of thyroxine. There is very important question. Write a short note on functions of thyroxine. What is the role of thyroxine? Thyroxine control the BMR, basal metabolic rate. Very important functions performed by the thyroxine. BMR, basal metabolic rate, by increasing the glucose oxidation as well as energy production. So BMR, basal metabolic rate influenced by which hormone? Thyroxine. How it is? Increasing the glucose oxidation. It controls the protein synthesis. It controls the protein metabolism. It controls the physical growth. It controls the mental growth. It also helps in regulate the body temperature. It regulates the female reproductive cycle. It controls the menstrual cycle. It controls the mental growth. It controls the physical growth as well as it influences the metabolic activity. Development of gonads. Gonad means reproductive organ. Which are reproductive organ? Testis and ovary. Means indirectly there is a role in development of secondary sexual character in both male and female. It controls the body temperature. It regulates the body temperature. By you may call it as influencing the thermoregulation. Again see please. It maintains the basal metabolic rate. It controls the protein synthesis. It helps in thermoregulation. It increases the action of neurotransmitter, that is adrenaline and non-adrenaline. It helps in the RBC production. It maintains the water and electrolyte balance. It regulates the reproductive cycle. It controls mental growth, physical growth, respiration rate, heart rate, breathing rate, blood pressure, temperature and digestion. Remaining parts will next time.